Okay, it's already started, so.
Alright.
Alright?
It's recording?
Yeah.
1 and 20.
Okay.
Now you can just use your arms here as a rest.
No.
There you go.
She has the number. I don't know what it is.
Run the 20?
What?
Caleb, he said 1.
Okay.
Derek,
18.
Okay.
9.
He's standing there hoping he can go
What
first.
is it? Don't be changing it. Just tell us what it is.
Oh, man. Caleb, Derek got it.
What
It
was
was 14. He was one closer than you.
That means you have to do it first.
No, I told Sherry the closest one to the number has to go first.
I had to count.
You did?
Yeah, because I was like, which one was
Can you
closer?
see with that?
Me?
Someone. Leopard pants. Ready?
I'll
Go
tell you
see-
what, both
Can
of
you
you
see
go at
this
the same
leopard
time.
pants?
It shines every time he hits the light.
You wear your underwear, Dad?
Give me the thing. Quick. Hand it to him. Give it to him.
Can you feel your legs?
What leg? Not that bad.
What, baby?
You ready to go, Liz?
He wants in that one. He
Okay,
wants
this
in
one.
that one. That one's probably not very cold, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it is?
Water?
What do you think about that, huh?
Cold? Get out part of him anyway.
He's doing a pretty good job there. Cup? All right, there's Cup.
Tell you what, never go swimming
All
in
right, who's next?
Savannah.
You are in Caleb's lap.
What? That ain't right.
Come on, Mr. Shiny Pants.
We're gonna go. You can't back out.
Look, your big brother's in there. Surely you can do what he can do.
Now he's a weakling.
Yeah, call him a pussy long enough, he'll jump in.
What? She keeps looking
Yeah,
back
I'm
at
actually
me.
getting used to this.
She's getting at that age where she's recognizing people, I think.
My legs are starting to
Grandma bought
get
you
all
some
numbed up.
tights.
Feeling good now.
Yeah, I did.
See,
When you wear a dress to church, your legs won't be cold.
Aunt Jennifer gave me some dresses, so got some really cute skirts
Oh,
that
really?
she let me borrow. Yeah,
Come on, Daniel.
he's,
What?
Get in there.
My turn?
yeah, Shiny
Ready,
Pants.
Liz? You ready to go?
No, no, no.
What if you actually let go, Dad?
Then I'll go get him. No, don't you throw that
Are
in
you
there.
trying to
No.
see that light?
No,
Or you just
don't
turn
throw
and
that
look
in
at
the
me?
pool.
I don't know.
No, whatever it is.
Man, I picked the lucky number.
Ready?
Yep.
Yep, go.
You better have it on because I'm going to be like,
Yep,
you're going to see me in there.
I've seen you enough
Oh,
with them.
come on. Your
They're
oldest
recording,
son's
man.
handling it.
I'll probably lose my shorts when I go in there.
It would be.
Ooh, that'd be too cool.
Oh, right now. That would be hilarious. It's funny, every time he steps, every time he moves, they shine.
No, it ain't that.
Go, Dad, go!
Oh! You liar! Ooh! Come on, Louie! Come on!
No.
It's like, that's like spring water!
No kidding, that's why I'm not down there.
Get on in there, dude.
Your
Don't
turn.
go without your shirt.
Huh?
Run and dive. Yeah, do it.
Don't drive straight down, though. Drive across.
Hurry up.
Does he know how to shallow dive? There you go. Good job, Caleb.
My butt, I'm out of here. Woo! Roll upside down. 1, 2, 3.
Male's on me.
I know, right?
Check out balls.
I'm trying to get used to it.
Here,
Whoa!
throw some leaves out. You're welcome.
What? Yeah? Can't really see you very well. It's dark.
My legs are starting to warm up again. That really tastes salty.
Really?
Yeah, it does. good for your hair. So it's good for your hair.
Oh, there's the phone.
I'll get it.
Say, there's the phone. No? You want to go swimming?
Swim at the pool.
No?
Hi, honey.
Hey, Danny.
You turn it
Ask
off.
her if she wants to go swimming.
Honey, you can turn it off.
636.
Bring it on.